You borrow 15,000 naira and you're supposed to pay back 28,500 naira on the 27th of February. 27th of February comes and you default payment. The next thing, a message is sent to your mom that you are a fraudulent person. A message is sent to your boss with your picture that you are a thief, and your pictures have been circulated to your WhatsApp contacts through SMS and other media platforms that you are a fraud. Is this even legal in Nigeria? What's the position of law addressing this? If you know you found yourself in such a situation, or you take loans from online loan apps regularly, watch this video to the end, save it and share it to your friends, and it's going to save you another day. The first question is, are loan apps legal in Nigeria? Yes, they are absolutely legal. But mind you, not all of them are operating legally. Under Nigerian law, online money lenders must comply with the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act of 2018, the Nigerian Data Protection Act of 2023, CBN guidelines where necessary, and now the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Commission has come out to say that all money lenders and all online money lenders must register in accordance with the Commission's guidelines. As a matter of fact, in 2022, the FCCPC began requiring all money lenders to comply and register with consumer protection standards. So as of today, any loan app at all that is not registered or acting in compliance with the standards set by the FCCPC is already in trouble, and whatever they are doing is automatically illegal. Now let's get into the serious part. We've established that loan apps are legal in Nigeria, but do they have the right to scrape your contact list, threaten to post your photos online, or send defamatory messages to your friends and your family? The clear answer is no. Why? Because by so doing, they have metamorphosed into what we call an act of harassment in law. By harassing you, they are breaching your right to privacy, they are breaching your right to consumer protection. Under Section 37 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which is the biggest law in the land, every individual has a right to dignity and privacy. More so, under the Nigerian Data Protection Act, nobody, absolutely no one, has the right to process or forward or publish your personal information without prior authority. As a matter of fact, there exists the Cyber Crimes Prohibition and Prevention Act of 2015, and by the virtue of that law, cyberstalking, cyberbullying, and online harassment are even criminal offenses. On that note, any loan app that purports or threatens to send defamatory messages to your friends and contacts, or to post your pictures online alleging that you are in debt to them, will have the actions tantamount to a defamation, a breach of right to privacy, cyber harassment, and unlawful data processing, which is contrary to the above mentioned laws and above all the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which guarantees a fundamental human right. Those actions can be taken up against them in court and you claim for serious damages. Worst case scenarios, if you are about to sue them or you eventually find out that such a loan app is not properly registered and is not in compliance with the rules set out by the FCCPC in 2022, it will even turn out that such a contract is void ab initio. Why? Because that loan app or that loan company is illegal. But that should not be used as a defense. That should not be used as a sword, such that you go ahead knowing fully well that this company is not registered, but you take loans from them, knowing that whenever they come up to call you for payment, you simply raise or brandish the card that they are not registered. That's a completely wrong thing to do, and mind you, the law does not aid illegality. However, if you've already taken up the loan, and then maybe when they are threatening to harass you, you want to sue them, and then you get to discover that they lack juristic personality, that they fail to register and comply with FCCPC rules, then it can be used as a shield but not as a sword, and the defense of void contract will avail you. But fundamentally, let's make this balanced. If you borrow money from money lenders, loan apps, and you refuse to pay, mind you, the loan apps have legal remedies against you in court. They can sue you and claim for damages. They can report you to credit bureaus, which will flag your accounts, and they can enforce those damages against you if they actually get judgments from court. So be wary. Do not think it is outrightly against loan apps to give loans and then take their loans back. If they are duly registered and are in compliance with FCCPC guidelines, if you take out loan and you refuse to pay, they can claim legal remedies against you. The only thing they are not allowed to do is to harass you. Now, here is a real advice. As an upright citizen of Nigeria, before you take up any loan, check if the loan app or loan money lender is duly registered. Check their data permissions. Understand their interest structure, because some interest will be ridiculous. And above all, avoid desperate borrowing. Loan app is legal, harassment is not. Debt recovery is also legal, but digital intimidation is not. You have to know the differences. If you've experienced any harassment on any loan app, comment below under this video and let me tell you your rights. That will be all for today. On to my next video. Remain blessed.